Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix iOS 18 control center not working properly on your iPhone. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version of iOS 18 and you are facing a problem that your control center is not working properly or adding apps on your control center, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings. From here guys, you have to just simply tap on control center, and from here guys, simply turn off this toggle, and after that guys, wait some seconds and again turn it on. After this guys, then you have to just simply close this page and force restart your device for one time. For that you have to just simply press and release the volume up and volume down button and hold on the power off button until the Apple logo appears. So guys, simply force restart your device for one time, and after that guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, in this way you can easily fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video has helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.